Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green onions from bulbs. It is a simple and rewarding process that allows you to enjoy fresh green onions right from your home. First, ensure you have green onion bulbs with their roots intact. Next, choose a suitable container or a spot in your garden that receives ample sunlight. Finally, prepare your soil, making sure it drains well to prevent root rot. Now, let's get those bulbs into the soil. Create small holes, approximately 1 inch deep, for each bulb. Gently place a bulb into each hole, ensuring the root end is facing down. If planting multiple bulbs, space them about 2 to 3 inches apart to give them room to grow. After planting, give them a good watering to help settle the soil around the roots and kickstart their growth. To ensure your green onions thrive, proper care is essential. They love sunlight, so aim for at least 6 hours of direct sun exposure each day. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as soggy conditions can harm the roots. For an extra boost, you might consider applying a balanced liquid fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks, especially if your soil lacks nutrients. The best part is harvesting your fresh green onions. They are typically ready when their stalks are about 6 to 8 inches tall. To harvest, simply cut the stalks about 1 inch above the soil line. This method encourages the bulbs to regrow, providing you with continuous harvests. You can enjoy fresh green onions for many weeks from your initial planting, making it a very efficient crop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.